there was just a, and there goes another one flying by. Oriole, and then another one, just popping through. Are they trying to gather for nesting materials? I saw one of them pick up a small little twig, so that was like a couple days back. Interesting. I can always check to see if the walnuts are still there. Wow. Oh, you're a quirky looking one, aren't you? That's a long ass beak you got there. Hello, sir. Seem to be all black. Oh, freaking chair. Can you... There you go. Hey. Interesting. I'll have to ask my husband about you. But, wow. I laid out some pomegranate seeds and the rest of the salmon, but my backyard is starting to look like an offering space or a space of communion. So if you wanted, you are more than welcome to bring little gifts, even tufts for nesting and loose stuff from brushes, and I feel like they use it well, so I don't know. My gosh, you're pretty. Hi. Oh, bye. There you go. At least we know who's nesting.